How's it going? Today I will show you how to jailbreak your Firestick and get access to thousands of apps to your device, where you can watch movies, TV shows, live sports, live TV, and all of that is totally free of charge. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get this amazing app and jailbreak your Firestick right now. And first of all, you will have to get the app called Downloader. You can get Downloader free of charge. To do so, just go to search on your device. So we open the search bar, and now we start typing Downloader in the search. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So click on it, and now here's the app which we need to get to our device. But after you got Downloader, it is not over yet, because obviously we still need to set it up. So now to set up Downloader, we'll go to settings on your Firestick by clicking on this button with a gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Open it, and now in here what you have to do is turn on developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you are unable to locate developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote, and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you click on the back button on your remote, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and from here, all you have to do is locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally we'll go back to the list of apps on your Fire TV Stick. Here it is. Let's open it. And now there is the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire Stick. But before actually using Downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you would just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to the Romania right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we just go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick, locate Downloader, and finally open it up. Now we finally open the search bar, and in the search, we'll have to enter a link, which will be applinked.store. So let's enter that together. Once again, it's going to be applinked. dot store. So here we go. That's the link. You just have to enter it exactly as you see on my screen and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, then the code will not work. Then just click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks. And then when this website opens for us, you have to click on download app link here at the top. So we click on download, and now the download of the app will start. Usually it takes only a couple of seconds to download the application. And after that, of course, we also have to install it to your Firestick. So click install and just wait for a couple of moments. And then after the app was installed, do not click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your Firestick. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of the unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And then what we need to do now is actually go to settings one more time, go to My Fire TV, open it, then again open developer options, go to install unknown apps, and from here we have to locate app linked and turn this option on. So this way app linked will be able to install all the amazing applications to your Firestick. And now finally we go back to the list of apps on your device, open it, and here's the app linked, which we just set up. Now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Then feel free to open app linked. And now when it opens, you just have to scroll down a bit, and there you will find different app categories, such as live streaming, it goes for live TV and live sports, movies and TV shows, games, verified apps, sports, and utilities. So let's say you open any of those categories. Let's open sports. And from here, you get access to loads of amazing sports applications. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube does not allow me to show you the exact apps available here. Alternatively, you can go back and let's say open movies and TV shows. And now in here you will get access to a load of applications which will provide you with movies and TV shows on your Firestick device. So that's the easy way to jailbreak your Firestick in 2025. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.